If you ride this motorcycle, trust me, this is the time to level up the ride with Moto Torque's premium products. Introducing you the Kawasaki Versys 650. Let me explain each and every product step by step. The first up is the crash bars. A beautifully designed crash bars for this beautiful machine comes with a complete protection on the right hand side of the fairing and on the left hand side of the fairing as well. Comes with the square slider, what we call in India, and it also known as a pug. A beautifully strong built slider from Moto Torque. Comes with strong 5mm clamps, which has two mountings here of the bolts, and there are some mountings here as well. Very great precision welding by our welders, a beautiful powder coating, great design, a great build quality for this motorcycle. If something, for God forbid, if there is a crash, if a motorcycle falls down on the right or on the left side, this upper part of the crash guard is going to definitely protect your motorcycle's expensive fairing as well. And if there is any major crash that comes your way and hits towards this side, this part of the crash bar is going to protect the expensive radiator guard what you have it here from this way. The next product is the front fork sliders. If your motorcycle falls towards the right or towards the left, there are fork sliders. They are going to protect your motorcycle's expensive disc plate, suspension part, and majority of the part that comes under this side or on the other side as well. The next product, a very essential product again, is the radiator guard. Comes in stainless steel and a mixture of mild steel, covers your motorcycles, protect your motorcycle's radiator guard from any debris. You never know what the road throws surprises at you. When you're riding on road or off road, make sure your motorcycle is protected each and every time in a beautiful way with some strong built products. The next product for this beautiful machine is the engine guard. A very big engine guard that covers the majority of the bend pipe that passes right through, right underneath of the engine to the end can here. When you see it clearly, this motorcycle's ground clearance is comparatively less to the other adventure motorcycle. Hence, we had to design something practically that protects this motorcycle's underneath part of the motorcycle's engine completely. Hence, it's a beautiful design product for this motorcycle. Comes in two color. This is the aluminum one. The other one comes in the black. The next product for this beautiful machine is the saddle stay. Hop on your luggage here. Just forget, ride free, ride far without even worrying whether the bags will come and intact to the tire. Very strong and sturdy to mount those saddle bags here. The next product is the top rack. Strong and sturdy, mount your top boxes or the duffel bags, ready to go those long rides. Along with that, we have developed many other products such as the handlebar riser, a very comfortable handlebar riser that adds up around 1.5 inch on the handlebar, gives you a very great upfront position to ride those long rides. A very comfort feeling, no pain on your shoulder, no pain on your lower back. Great product for your long rides. Crafted in aluminium, machined through all the CNCs and VMC machines to get those comfort feeling without even a single of mistake anywhere. The next product for this motorcycle is the side stand extender. We also call it as side stand shoe. We always have a fear of our motorcycle tipping off on the ground on those wet land or wet soil. Make sure you go for this product, very essential product that protects your motorcycle from tipping off on the ground. Well, these are some premium products that has been developed by Moto Torque for this beautiful machine, the Kawasaki Versys 650. You can buy them on our website mototorque.in, also from our official dealer near you. Make sure you subscribe to our channel to see some crazy product for latest motorcycles in the market. Also share this video with your friends and family who are interested in this motorcycle. I'll see you in the next video. I hope you ride safe and ride long. Have a good day.